In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on your MacBook for free using GeForce Now. If you're using a Mac, you may already know that Fortnite is not available as a fully updated regular installation like it is on some other platforms. But the good news is, you can still play Fortnite on your Mac through cloud gaming. One of the easiest ways to do this is with GeForce Now. GeForce Now allows you to stream Fortnite directly from NVIDIA's cloud servers. This means you don't need to download the full game, and you don't need a powerful gaming Mac to run it. As long as you have a good internet connection, you can play Fortnite from your browser. To get started, open a web browser on your MacBook. In the address bar, type play.geforcenow.com, then press Enter. Once the GeForce Now page opens, sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. After signing in, click the menu icon in the top left corner of the page. From the menu, select Settings. Now scroll down until you find the Connections section. Here, you need to connect your Epic Games account to GeForce Now. This is an important step because Fortnite uses your Epic Games account for your profile, progress, skins, friends list, and saved items. So make sure you connect the same Epic Games account you normally use to play Fortnite. Once your Epic Games account is connected, go back to the main GeForce Now page. Now open the Games section. Look for Fortnite. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type Fortnite. When Fortnite appears, click on it, then click Play. If you are using the free GeForce Now plan, you may be placed in a queue before the game starts. This simply means you need to wait until a cloud gaming rig becomes available. The waiting time can change depending on how busy the service is at that moment. The free plan is a good option if you just want to get started without paying. However, if you want shorter wait times, longer sessions, and better performance, you can choose one of the paid GeForce Now plans. Once your session is ready, Fortnite will launch through GeForce Now. From there, you can sign in if needed, adjust your game settings, and start playing Fortnite on your MacBook. Before you play, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Because the game is being streamed from the cloud, your connection quality is very important. A weak connection can cause lag, input delay, blurry graphics, or interruptions while playing. For the best experience, try to use a fast Wi-Fi network, and if possible, connect your MacBook with an Ethernet adapter for a more stable connection. Also, if the game feels delayed, you can try closing other apps, stopping downloads, or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. And that's it. That's how you can play Fortnite on a MacBook for free using GeForce Now.